No, okay. Again, one of those we'll have to do. Hey everyone, we're back with another Get Ready With Us. We're drinking. We haven't done this in a long time.
I look so pale, look at me.
Honestly, I fake tanned for the first time in forever.
I bet what will happen if you run out of battery.
I'm charging another one. I've got more than one battery
Oh,
now.
she's prepared for once.
I'm professional. God, I'm so red whenever we film.
Oh, it's because it's the alcohol. Look. Oh my god, that makes me even wiser. Yours is so brown. Oh my god!
How are you going to have your hair?
Shaved.
Bald. What about you?
I've had 2 vodkas and I'm on the floor.
You have not had 2 vodkas.
I have, that's my 3rd.
Oh, okay.
And I wasn't going to drink.
I had 1. If you throw up, are you doing anything tomorrow?
Yes, I'm getting my eyelashes done.
Just sleep.
No, I won't. I'll be throwing up in her face.
I've got an event on Sunday.
You're going to be fine for Sunday, I'm sure.
We all know what I'm like though. I take 2-day hangovers.
I've got your bug.
Yeah, so basically I used to get like, I used to be fine and then we started going out. I don't know, maybe it was when I turned 20. And I literally would be bedridden, throwing up 24 hours all day, wouldn't I? It would be so bad. Yeah. Like we went to Bournemouth to see our friend at uni. And we went to Tesco to try and get food so that I'd stop throwing up, and I literally had to run around the corner and
to throw up.
Throwing up as I was walking. I just like couldn't do it, and it's not even like I'd say I was really drunk the night before, but I wouldn't say I was like ridiculously not.
Abby, you were absolutely.
Yeah, but
I want to insert photo and video right now. You glided onto the bed and fell off the other end. I think she had died and every song goes, I think she forever. I think she.
I suppose there's so many Snapchats.
I've got videos of her barely sitting on the toilet seat. She's like,
but there is other nights where I haven't actually
you've just
drunk
been as drunk, yeah, and you haven't been sick, or you haven't drunk a lot and you've still been sick.
Yeah.
Look at my skin!
My god, I'm so orange compared to you.
Wow.
Look at the colour of my concealer compared to mine.
But not being funny.
No, it's the ring light.
Actually matches.
It's the ring light as well. The ring light makes everything look so much whiter.
Bold for my face.
People literally hit themselves in the face.
I do. I literally beat myself up with it. I'm a bit drunk because I can't actually see what.
You're a bit drunk.
Yeah, look at my pubes. Oh no, they're not like that.
Your pubes?
I don't have any. And this song reminds me of happy times. Dancing with the silhouette.
This has only just come out as well, hasn't it?
Ooh. So they only play snippets of it with their makeup range.
Yes, for that.
Please, muchas gracias.
Pass your drink.
I'll say my drinky.
Musical interval.
Interlude, that's the one.
So we're going to be playing the catchy tune game. I got this in Primark for £7 for anyone that's wondering. I saw it on the way to the checkout and I thought it was yes please.
Oh great.
Are you actually joking me? How to play kazoo?
I think you have to just hum it anyway.
Oh, am I doing it the wrong way? How did you do that? Can you feel that?
Yeah.
Yay!
Alright.
Yeah, do another one.
Right.
Ready?
I'm all ears. Beyond guess. That's the one.
Okay.
A whole new world. Don't you dare question.
I'm actually crying. This is bad. It's gonna ruin my makeup. Is it just called Belle?
Oh.
It is.
Yeah.
Good morning, Belle.
Happy birthday or something. Happy birthday. My ears hurt. Oh, it's blowing.
Okay. Is it me again? Is that Unfortunate Souls? Arabian Nights.
I was thinking of that.
Arabian Nights. I don't know the rest of it, yeah. Arabian
Think it.
Nights.
God, friend me.
I'm going to play a song and you guys have to guess what it is and comment it below. And if you guess it right, then congratulations. Guess this song. Comment below.
For another.
I think I just threw up in my mouth. I'm so fucking grateful for my
Young buddy.
Young what?
Young buddy.
You said young buddy.
Yo, buddy.
Justin,
Show you off.
Tonight I'm gonna show you off. I need is a beauty and a beat who can make my
Oh my god.
a bad name.
How will I?
My voice is not going. These are the Doll Beauty lashes in Grace. Get them in Topshop, they're my faves. Oh my god, Mum, you scared the absolute. Oh my god.
I could be looking just a little bit shy.
Won't you ride me without making me try? I have to be that Grace Kelly. How can I help it? How can I help what she... Isn't it so good? That's also Doll Beauty, guys, if you're wondering. Say what you want to satisfy yourself. Hey! So, thanks for watching, guys. This is the finished result. We're going to do a bit more drinking and then we're going to
hit the town.
hit the town. Make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to guess the song that I played earlier on the kazoo.
Guess the song.
What am I saying? Follow Hannah on everything. All her social medias will be linked in the description below. And yeah, subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
This is